so let's continue on with the next bit here. So I'm just gonna, actually I'll just press 0 up here just so we have a look what the camera is looking at. So we've got a big pause here of nothing happening. And then it comes back. So I think what I might do is in the reference footage, I've got this black area right here. Now I reckon I'm going to skip these 200 frames-ish. And so whatever happened at this point in time, let me have a look, when was the last frame? So I'm going to copy everything from this frame, copy, and we're going to pick it up when the video comes back. I'm going to go paste, okay, and I'm going to get rid of everything that's in this frame. So now we've got like no movement for this whole area. And then we go back to that camera. Beautiful. Okay, so let's just find... Oh wow, this goes all the way to the end of the film. Oh, no, it doesn't. What happens here? Ah, see, this point here, I look at my finger, and then it's going to do a close-up of the finger, and then the person walks back. So let's find here. So we're going to go from 1200 to alright, let's find it. I gotta find it now. Where's this black area? Black area is here. So what do we say? 1600. Okay. So let's have a look. What do we have at this point? So I'm just kind of watching in the top right hand corner. He brings up his finger. Whoop. Okay, well we've already got a problem because he's touching nothing. So that means that we're gonna have to, at this point here, let's kind of just rotate. How much are we rotating? Rotate Z. So I'm looking, so it's about 15 degrees. Rotate Z 15. Rotate Z 15. Rotate Z 15. I mean, so from this point, he can come back around. That's fine. So the hand, he's lost control of the hand. So I'm already, at this point here, already lifting the hand. So let's bring that hand back down. Because I'm not thinking about the hand yet. The hand kind of guides it itself. Now it's locking at this point here. So let's just move it up here. Let's just bring it up a little bit. And so hopefully we've got kind of the preemptive. Bringing up that hand. Oh, I've got no control of my hand. And so let's just kind of go in that direction. So I'm just pressing up to move to the next keyframe. And we're just trying to... Let's see, kind of. It does. I don't like that, so I'm going to rotate Z15, rotate Z15, and that should be good enough. So he's looking at his finger. Okay. You need to be looking at your hand. Be looking at your hand. This bit's fine because he's looking around. Okay, that hand there seems to have dropped rather quickly. Ah, that's why. Just because it seems to have a slight pause. So I'm just going to kind of raise that up, give it a bit of a rotation. Just so it's doing a little bit of a movement. Still got the hand on the chest. Looking around, okay. That head moves far too early. So we'll get copy, paste, that doesn't seem too extreme. Okay, so let's go back to this hand, hand, where are you, hand? There it is. So this is one of those things where the hand comes up, and it just kind of sits there for a while. At this point, it should be fully extended. Almost going backwards a little bit. And so at this point, we're still kind of together. That looks alright. Let's get the blinking going as well. Where are my blinks? Here we go. Control B. Alright, let's see if we can find some blinks. I think there's one right there. Where it scared the poopsicles. Okay, Shift D. Oh, mind you, it doesn't really matter because that's not the angle we're going to see it from. Shift D. Still looking around. Another blink. Shift D. There we go. I knew there was going to be another blink in there. So as you can tell, from every time that I've changed my head position, doing a major head change position, I've always blinked. That's a bit wrong there. What's going on here? Keep my head there. Ah, that's what happened. I do like the how much I followed my finger then so intently. And is it a bit of a blink? No, there isn't. I do like the little this. How? So that one there is about bringing up the shoulders. It's almost like I have to raise the whole rig. Okay. So let's, oops, pick this, and not that one, this one, and this one. Okay, and it is going to be ever so slightly. So with these two, rotate X. Nope. Rotate Y. Nope. Rotate Z. I can. It is not that. Okay. Rotate X. Z. There we go. Rotate Z. Just up a smidgen. Z. Up a smidgen. And then what we might do is go back to this point. Copy. And then we're back down. Paste. Yeah, just a subtle. Yeah, what's going on with this finger? This finger should be copy. Oops. Should be copy. Bare minimum. When? So I still got that finger out the whole time. Paste. Not that extreme. Whoa. Settle down, buddy. Okay, let's have a look. Rotate. Oh, size. Okay, so let's go through. Let's do a render. Let's have a look at what it looks like.